Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out the NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. So like we said, we're going to be reviewing the Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer from NYX. So let's get into, well, the facts about this. So it is 1.41 ounces. I'm just going to read off the box and then I'll read off the website. I did get this from Ulta. It retails for $17. It is supposed to be up to 8 hour hydration. Extends the wear of makeup, blurs the appearance of pores, non-sticky, lightweight feel, skin feels refreshed and blends seamlessly. That's in a different language. So it's a hit refresh infused with aloe and cucumber. This lightweight, bouncy, water-based jelly primer moisturizes and preps your complexion for a fresh start. So that is what the box says. Let's pull up Ulta's website and see what it says. So I'm just gonna try to put snippets. So water-based gel primer that hydrates in the complexion, softens the appearance of pores for a bright, fresh-looking glow. It's supposed to provide up to 8 hour hydration, which is what the box says. Oh, it has a gripping primer. Oh, it says this gripping primer has a jelly texture to create a glass-like finish and grips your makeup for ultimate. So it's hydrating and gripping. Oh, isn't that the claims for the Milk Hydra Grip? Maybe we'll have to compare. Anything else? Primer, blah, 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 blah. It's vegan, no animal-derived ingredients. That's what vegan means. Yeah. Oh, it's cruelty-free as well. So let's go ahead and open this. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's kind of like a blush pink mauve shade. And it is 6 months. I never mentioned those things. Maybe I should start saying that. So it does have a 6 month shelf life. Made in China, blah, 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 blah. So it does have a nice little seal, which most jelly things do. I can't. Oh. There is a smell, but it's very slight and it almost just smells like aloe vera. So, I'm going to say immediately, this is going to be a pain getting out with nails. So that part is going to be annoying. So I would just get a spatula if you have one. I have one for when I do skincare, so I would probably just use that. But there is some on the back. Ooh, it is completely jelly like it says. So it didn't say like an amount you should take or anything like that. Normally they suggest an amount when it comes to things like jelly. I don't see anything. Oh wait, here's a how to use. Apply small amount. Okay, that's not anything. So I'm gonna take this much for now. Oh my god, it's so weird. It's a weird feeling. Don't put jelly on me. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so immediately it feels so hydrating. It does look like you have to rub it in more than normal because I don't know if you can see, but like I can see a streak of the product. Like it almost looks white. I did not exfoliate today, so I do have a lot of dry patches here, so we're gonna see how it works with this. So I'm gonna leave it, let it sit a little bit. If it is kind of like wording wise makes it seem very comparable to the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I know with that you have to kind of let it sit to get a little tacky. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. It says it's supposed to be non-sticky, but that's sticky, which I would want it to be. How is it going to be non-sticky but then also a grip primer? So that's kind of contradicting, but it is sticky, which is good. I like sticky primers because that means it helps my foundation last. So it's been a little bit. Do I have a close-up mirror? Let's. I'm gonna say no on the softening appearance of pores. I don't see any blurring happening at all. Because it said blurring somewhere, right? Like I know it said softening. Yeah, the box says blur the appearance of pores. and the website says softening the appearance of pores. I don't see either one happening though. So far I don't think it's doing anything for pores, but it did feel very hydrating putting it on immediately. Now I feel the sticky of what should grip, even though it says it's not sticky. So I no longer feel the hydration, I just feel sticky. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and then we'll come back and I'll tell you my immediate thoughts, and then I'll come back at the end of the day and tell you my final thoughts. Okay, now that my makeup is complete, my immediate thoughts are it's actually pretty decent. Like I said at the beginning, I didn't exfoliate. I did have a lot of dead skin, so I kind of went in and I did something you're not supposed to do, so I won't mention it, but I did kind of get off some of the dead skin. So actually for my nose, because that's where my driest part is, it's actually not looking too bad. I do have a line right here, and you can really see it with the foundation, but that line of dead skin was there before. Like I said, didn't really exfoliate. I wanted to see how this does with dry patches, because I don't exfoliate daily. So a lot of times I do have dry skin and dry patches. So far it looks pretty good. Let me come a little closer to you. Okay, so you can probably see the nose area. That's my problem area, and you can see the line right here. But honestly, for my nose, it's looking pretty good. Probably sad to say, but it's looking pretty good. So let's back up. Okay, so that is what my makeup looks like right now. It is 11:40 in the morning, so I'm gonna go ahead, go throughout the rest of my day, and then I will come back at the end of the day and let you see what my makeup looks like and tell you my final thoughts. Okay, so it's now the end of the day. It's like 9:30, so this has been on for a little over 9 hours. As you can see, like, my nose is coming off. This is still dry, but honestly, not that bad for my dryness. Normally at the end of the day, it looks worse than this, if I'm being honest. But as far as longevity and grip, I'd say it's pretty decent. Obviously, my nose is something I'm touching a lot, so that didn't really stay on too well. It's not too bad, like up here, but going like this, it's pretty much missing there. But I don't know if you can see my pores, still not blurred. So I do think it's decent for hydrating. I think it's decent for gripping. I think actually it's pretty good for gripping. But blurring pores, absolutely not. Didn't do anything really to them. And I don't have really enlarged pores, so mine should be easy to blur if it's going to. But yeah, honestly, I think if I was to exfoliate, this hydrating part would be really good, because for me not to do anything and have all this dead skin and it just look like this, like I said, this for me isn't bad for 9 hours. So I actually think it's pretty good, and I'll probably still keep using it. But yeah, that is all I have for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.